Welcome to English pronunciation class. Hi students. In this English pronunciation video, we're going to learn how to make the
W
sound.
Make this sound w. The lips form a tight circle. W. The back part of the tongue stretches up towards the soft palate, while the front part of the tongue lightly touches the back of the bottom front teeth. To give this sound the right quality, you have to close the vocal cords to get this sound w, which we add to the sound w. You release the vocal cords as you release the lips coming out of the W sound. W.
These are words with
W
sounds. Let's say them.
Wet, wet.
Wine, wine.
Whale, whale. Window, window. Weather, weather. Queen, queen.
Now let's try longer phrases.
A wet student. A wet student. A glass of wine. A glass of wine.
A blue whale. A blue whale.
A big window. A big window. The warm weather. The warm weather.
A beautiful queen. A beautiful queen.
Now let's try the following sentences.
She is a wet student.
There is a glass of wine. We see a blue whale.
My room has a big window.
What's the weather like?
She is a beautiful queen.
Can you read these conversations?
What's the weather like today?
It's windy in the east.
What's the weather like today?
It's snowy in the south.
What's the weather like today?
It's wet in the west. What's the weather like today? It's warm in the north.
Wet. A wet student. Wine. A glass of wine. Whale. A blue whale. Window. A big window. Weather. The warm weather. Queen. A beautiful queen. She is a wet student. There is a glass of wine. We see a blue whale. My room has a big window. What's the weather like? She is a beautiful queen. What's the weather like today? It's warm in the north. It's wet in the west. It's windy in the east. It's snowy in the south.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you next time.